Welcome to the Bogart Effect, a wealthy wisdom podcast. Please see important disclosure information at the end of the presentation.
The thing I'll say for clients is, and I want to wrap it back to your comment earlier, Daniel, about the integration of someone's financial plan. I think it's imperative. A deduction is a deduction. So even if you're in the highest marginal brackets, let's just assume that your effective tax rate off that deduction is approximately 25%. So if it's a $6,000 deduction, that means that your actual tax savings are about $1,500. And we're only talking about this extra deduction from 2026 through 2029. So that's 4 years. That's $6,000 of lifetime tax savings. And I know I'm overly simplifying this example, but if you're in the situation where your long-term effective tax rates are going to be significantly higher than that, I personally don't want to give up the ability to do additional tax optimization and tax management work on a long-term situation in order to only save $1,500 a year, roughly $6,000 in the short term. The tax delta is going to be so much larger by foregoing doing some of that additional marginal uplift on that tax management and tax optimization work that I think it's extremely important to make sure that we're integrating it into the long-term financial plan, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's a popular topic is this integration. One area I was kind of, I don't want to say surprised, but one area where we didn't see a change in is our annual gift exclusions. Right, they decided to keep that at $19,000, same as 2025. That's on an individual basis for married couples. That's $38,000 together. Right, so. That is one area that stayed the same. So any that we're gifting, to kids, grandkids out there, that those numbers are the same, right? 19,000 individual,
and they didn't change the 529 rules at all on that. Yeah. So you can still do 5 years at once front loaded. So it's basically taking those 5 years of annual gift exclusions and doing it all in 1 year. So it's 190,000 you can do in 1 year.
The previous presentation by Bogart Wealth was intended for general information purposes only. No portion of the presentation serves as the receipt of or as a substitute for personalized investment advice from Bogart Wealth or any other investment professional of your choosing. Different types of investments involve varying degrees of risk, and it should not be assumed that future performance of any specific investment or investment strategy or any other non-investment related or planning services, discussion, or content will be profitable, be suitable for your portfolio or individual situation, or prove successful. Neither Bogart Wealth's investment advisor registration status nor any amount of prior experience or success should be construed that a certain level of results or satisfaction will be achieved if Bogart Wealth is engaged or continues to be engaged to provide investment advisory services. Bogart Wealth is neither a law firm nor accounting firm, and no portion of its services shall be construed as legal or accounting advice. No portion of the podcast content should be construed by a client or prospective client as a guarantee that he or she will experience a certain level of results if Bogart Wealth is engaged or continues to be engaged to provide investment advisory services. Copies of Bogart Wealth's current written disclosure brochure and Form CRS discussing our advisory services and fees are available upon request or at www.bogartwealth.com.